friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making breaded turkey breast cutlets in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, we need turkey breast cutlets, egg, breadcrumbs, and seasonings that I'll use salt and pepper. So first I'm going to take out the air fryer basket and I will spray it with a non-stick cooking spray, so the turkey cutlets don't stick to the air fryer. If you'd rather not use the spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. And now I'm going to crack an egg in a bowl. And I'll whisk it. I'll also put breadcrumbs on a plate. So we'll dip the turkey in egg and breadcrumbs. And next I'm going to season the turkey breast cutlets. So I'll just sprinkle them with salt and pepper. Now flip them over and season the other side as well. So now I'm going to take each turkey cutlet and dip in both sides egg and breadcrumbs. Just press into breadcrumbs so they stick. And now put breaded turkey cutlet in the air fryer basket. And repeat with the other turkey cutlets. So now let's put breaded turkey cutlets in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 7 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and carefully flip the breaded cutlets over so they cook more evenly. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the breaded turkey cutlets. Look at that, they look amazing, perfectly cooked. Now the cooking time depends on how thick are the cutlets. Those are pretty thin, so if yours are thicker, they might take a few minutes longer. If you want to be sure that they're cooked through, please use instant read thermometer to make sure the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So if they're not cooked, you can always just put them back in the air fryer 400 degrees for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. So these are fully cooked. I'll take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. very quick and easy to make. And they're so good. Now let's try it. So here I'll just cut a piece. You can see they're fully cooked inside. And now I'll try it. I'm so excited. They're so good with crispy breading and tender, delicious turkey inside. You'll love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!